In this video, I'll be writing about how to write an application for new admission in school or college. So you have to start with a letter or application with the date, and you should also talk about your from address, and you should also mention about your to address, which is directing principal, and you should also write the subject, which is application for admission in school, and you should start with the respected principal, and you have to express your interest in seeking admission for which academic year we should mention, and as well as for which class or which grade we should talk about, or which department we should talk about here. And also you have to talk about what are the documents you are going to attach along with this application, and also you have to one more time you have to kindly request for the admission in their school, and you are going to obey all their admission procedures, and if required any additional documentation you are going to provide. To end the application, you should write your sincerely and your name with a signature if you are providing a hard copy. Otherwise, signature is not required. So this is how you should write a letter or application for admission in a school or college.